Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the 5 best 4K laser ultra short throw projectors 2024. Based on specifications, all the product buying links are given in the video description, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for my new videos notification. Number 5. The Epson Pro Cinema LS12004 PRO-UHD laser projector is a cutting-edge home theater projector that delivers exceptional picture quality and performance. Designed with precision and innovation, this projector is packed with features to enhance your viewing experience. With its 4K PRO-UHD resolution, you can enjoy breathtakingly clear and sharp images, bringing every detail to life on the big screen. The advanced laser technology ensures vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a wide color gamut, creating a true cinematic experience in the comfort of your own home. The Pro Cinema LS12000 offers a brightness of up to 2,500 lumens, ensuring that your movies and presentations are displayed with stunning clarity, even in well-lit rooms. Thanks to its high dynamic contrast ratio, you'll experience incredibly realistic and immersive visuals with exceptional depth and dimension. Equipped with advanced image processing technology, this projector optimizes every frame, ensuring smooth motion and reducing blur. The Precision HDR support further enhances the dynamic range, giving you more lifelike images with richer colors and improved contrast. Setting up the Pro Cinema LS12000 is a breeze, thanks to its motorized lens shift, zoom, and focus capabilities. This allows you to easily adjust the image size and position, ensuring a perfect fit for any screen or room. The projector also features lens memory, which allows you to save different settings for different aspect ratios, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Number 4. The JVC D-ILA NZ8 D-ILA home theater projector is a cutting-edge device that brings the cinema experience right into your living room. Designed with advanced D-ILA technology, this projector delivers exceptional image quality, making every movie night truly immersive. With its native 4K resolution, the D-ILA NZ8 showcases every detail with stunning clarity and precision. You'll be able to see even the smallest nuances in color, contrast, and texture, enhancing your viewing experience like never before. Additionally, this projector supports HDR content, ensuring vibrant and lifelike visuals that truly pop off the screen. Equipped with a high-performance laser light source, this projector offers a wide color gamut and excellent brightness, resulting in vivid and dynamic images. Whether you're watching an action-packed blockbuster or a visually stunning nature documentary, the D-ILA NZ8 will deliver exceptional picture quality that will leave you amazed. The D-ILA NZ8 also boasts a wide lens shift range, allowing for flexible installation options. You can easily adjust the projection position vertically and horizontally to fit your preferred screen size and room layout. Furthermore, the projector features a motorized zoom and focus functionality, enabling easy and precise image adjustment without the need for manual tweaking. To complement its impressive visuals, the D-ILA NZ8 includes a powerful 20-watt stereo speaker system, eliminating the need for external speakers in smaller setups. Number 3. The Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS804 PRO-UHD Ultra Short Throw 3-Chip 3 LCD Smart Streaming Laser Projector is a cutting-edge projector designed to elevate your viewing experience to new heights. With its advanced features and technology, this projector delivers stunning picture quality and exceptional performance. Featuring a 4K PRO-UHD resolution, the LS800 ensures crystal clear and sharp images that truly bring your content to life. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or giving presentations, every detail will be displayed with incredible clarity and precision. The ultra-short throw design allows you to place the projector just inches away from the screen, eliminating the need for complicated installation and reducing shadows and glare. This means you can enjoy a large screen experience in even the smallest of rooms. Equipped with a 3-chip 3 LCD technology, this projector delivers vibrant and accurate colors that stay true to the original source. Each chip works together to produce a wide color gamut and impressive color accuracy, ensuring that what you see on the screen is exactly what the content creators intended. The LS800 is not just a projector, but a smart device as well. With built-in streaming capabilities, you can easily access your favorite streaming services, such as Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube, directly from the projector. Enjoy a vast library of content without the need for additional devices or cables. Number 2. Introducing the Samsung 120, the premier ultra-short throw 4K UHD smart single laser projector for home theater, the ultimate addition to your entertainment setup. This state-of-the-art projector brings the cinematic experience right into the comfort of your own home. With its impressive 120 projection size, you can now enjoy larger-than-life visuals that transport you into your favorite movies, TV shows, or sports events. Whether you're hosting a movie night with friends or immersing yourself in the world of gaming, this projector delivers stunning 4K UHD resolution, ensuring every detail is crystal clear and vibrant. One of the standout features of this Samsung 120, the Premier, is its ultra-short throw capability. Unlike traditional projectors that require a significant distance from the screen, this projector can be placed just inches away, reducing shadows and obstructions. You can now say goodbye to tangled cables and bulky equipment cluttering your living space. Equipped with a single laser light source, this projector boasts exceptional color accuracy and brightness, resulting in a truly immersive viewing experience. The rich colors and deep blacks bring your content to life, while a high brightness ensures incredible visibility even in well-lit rooms. The smart functionality of this Samsung 120, the Premier, takes your home theater to the next level. Powered by Tizen, Samsung's intuitive operating system, you can access a world of content with just a few clicks. Number 1. The Hisense 100L 9K Laser TIV Triple Laser Ultra Short Throw Projector with 100 ALR screen is a cutting-edge home entertainment solution that will revolutionize your viewing experience. Featuring a triple laser technology, this projector delivers stunningly vivid and lifelike images with remarkable color accuracy. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing video games, every detail will be brought to life right in front of your eyes. Thanks to its ultra-short throw capability, you can place the projector just inches away from the screen, eliminating the need for complicated installation and providing a clutter-free setup. With a 100 ALR ambient light rejection screen, you can enjoy your favorite content even in brightly lit rooms without any loss in image quality. The Hisense 100L 9G Laser TV also boasts a variety of smart features. It comes with built-in apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and YouTube, allowing you to stream your favorite shows and movies directly from the projector. The integrated voice control feature enables hands-free operation, making it even more convenient to navigate through your entertainment options. Equipped with a powerful sound system, this laser TV delivers immersive audio that matches the stunning visuals. With Dolby Atmos technology, you'll be enveloped in a three-dimensional sound experience, bringing you closer to the action like never before.